Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today is another episode of a new video that I'm going to show you. Today I'm going to do the washing. Welcome back to my channel. For the new subscribers and for the returning, thank you. As I take you through the washing process. I normally use the Clean-Soft or these other detergents that it is over. So I'm using Clean-Soft washing powder. I've already done a few washes. This is how it's going. It's going about. This is a 13 kg washing machine, so it's a bit bigger. And this is the washer. This is the timer for the washer. I normally take it to 15, so it's still running up to here. This is the rinse programmer. This is the normal. I know I'm using normal, and it also has delicate. And this is this for spinner. I don't use spinner because at the moment it's not working. This is our spinner. So after I do the washing, then I take it to this other side. Then this is where I rinse and put them here and take them to the line for them to dry. I'm always doing my cleaning outside because I don't have a place for laundry in the house. So I normally remove the machine outside and do it from here. This is my place of washing. These are the clothes. Now I'm going to put them on the line for them to dry. You can see how these are the ones that I've done earlier. So I'm going to put the rest on the line.